Hi, I'm Mansi. So here I'm going to present the code of my assignment of the programming on the topic abstract planets. So here we go. This is the code. This is the main class of this program project, which is the planet class. This is the abstract class of this project. So first of all, here is the public abstract class planet. Here is the private instant fields like diameter, mass, moon count, name, orbital period, ring count, rotation period. So here are the properties, public properties of this, as you can see. And then here comes the constructor. The constructor This is the constructor of this class that takes three parameters, name, diameter, and mass, as you can see here. Then here comes the string, the override string, which will be the output that will be displayed over there, which will return the name, diameter, and mass, which will be displayed over as the output over there. The next class here comes is the giant planet, which is a subclass of this program. So public class, this giant planet, it has further planet, I has moons, I has rings. And these are the two interface classes. So here also we have private instant field, which is named as type. And then here is the constructor of this subclass, which will also take three parameters inherited from the classes, as you can see this. Then here comes the constructor of this CS file. The first is for the giant planet, as you can see, the gas or the ice type. If the type is not a valid one, it is not from this, then it must be from either it will be a gas or a ice. Then further comes the private methods, as you can see. If the method that pools will return to true if the condition is satisfied. If like the moon count is greater than 0, then the public pool will return to true. And here also, if the hash ring count is greater than 0, then it will again satisfy the condition and will return to true. So here again comes the console that will be displayed to the user as the outcome, that these three parameters we will be able to see, the diameter, mass, and type. So the next comes the terrestrial planet. So here, as you can see, this is the terrestrial planet class. It has also planet, I has moons, I habitable. These two again are interface classes. So here comes the private instant field, which is taken as an oxygen. Then public properties of this, as you can see. Then constructor. Here comes the constructor of this class, which takes the parameters of the planet base class and adds the oxygen bool variable here, as you can see. Then it comes the private and public methods. So here we have the public methods which will satisfy the condition and will return true. As you can see, if the moon count will be greater than 0, then it will satisfy the condition and will return to true. And here, as you can see, the public bool habitable. This will also will satisfy the condition. If this will satisfy the condition, the oxygen will be greater than 0, then again this will be returned to true. And now, as you can see, the string method that we used here, this will be again visible to the user as the outcome. Then here comes the program, the main output, the most of the output that the user is going to see. As you can see, this is the driver class that we create all the new objects and here. So as you can see, these all are the new objects that we have created here, planet, giant console, and then again we are just writing it giant planet, and again we are applying this one as you can see. So this everything will be assigned over here, and then as you can see we have to wait for a key, and then we applied the static void and then read line, console read line, and then let's see what happens. We just start it and let's see what happens. As you can see, this is the outcome that we going to see. So thank you.